I failed my test today. Not a good day. But I need food. Okay, let's go.
Ashley, you are here! Let's go! So much food!
Hi, Cart.
Hey, are you okay? You look sad.
I failed my test today, Cart. I just want comfort food. $30. Let's go.
Okay, fruit first. Fruit is good for sad days.
Sure. Let's find something good.
Me, look up here. I am the best. I can fix your bad day. I am red. I am shiny. One bite and you feel better. Fix my bad day? Really? Yes! Crunchy sound. Happy feeling. Science.
But are you hard or soft? I want to know.
I am hard. Listen. Knock, knock. Very hard.
Hard and crunchy. Best snack, best fruit, best comfort food. Okay. Red, shiny, hard, crunchy, you are good. Get in.
Finally, I am number one. Put me on top.
I am the winner, obviously. Oh, really? How so? Because I'm simply the best.
All right, Mr. Winner. Good apples. What is next?
More fruit. Let's go. Oh, yellow, very yellow. What is this?
Oh no, a bad day. I understand. I am very sensitive too. Come here. I am soft. I am sweet. Soft and sweet is good for sad days.
Excuse me? I already said I can fix her bad day. Soft is weak. Crunchy is strong.
I am better for bad days.
Okay, sit down, Apple. Sit down.
Fine.
Bad days are hard, but sweet food helps. I know this.
Yeah, maybe you are right.
Yes! Sweet! Good for energy! Good for sad mornings! Okay, yellow. Nice yellow, not too green, not too brown. Good.
Take care of me. I am fragile. Very fragile.
Okay, we know you are soft.
Promise you'll be careful.
I promise.
Drama queen.
Don't touch me. You are too soft.
Fine! I don't want to touch you! They are a lot.
Every time.
Hi, look at me. I am orange.
Hello, Orange.
Why are you so excited?
Because it's great to see you! We're happy to see you too.
I am round. Watch this.
What are you doing?
I'm rolling. Round things can roll. Watch this. I can roll. Coming back.
Oh, you rolled back.
Yes, round things roll. Pick me.
See? Perfect circle.
You are very round and smooth.
And fresh and juicy. Pick me.
Good price, $3.
Budget check still good. Yes, I'm going home. Hi, friends. I'm Orange. Watch out. Don't bump me. Sorry, I can't help it. I'm round.
Ow, be careful. I bruise easily. Whee! This card is fun.
Stop rolling. Orange is making everyone dizzy.
Orange, please stay still.
Okay, I'll try, but I'm very round.
Hello, I am Watermelon. I am big. I can fix any bad day. Wow, you are very big. Big and red inside. Sweet, cold. I am the best comfort food.
You are beautiful, but you are very heavy.
What? Heavy? That is because I am big. Big is good.
I walked here today. No car. I cannot carry you.
I wanted to help. You had a bad day.
You are perfect, Watermelon.
Next time.
I promise.
Next time, bring a car.
Sorry, Watermelon.
I feel bad. He really wanted to help.
I know. We'll see him again. Tom,
Hey,
I am shopping right now.
Ashley, can you get lemons? Also, are you okay? You sound sad.
I'm fine. Just bad day.
Get the lemons. Come home. We watch the movie. You feel better. Okay?
Okay. Were you listening to my phone call?
No. I was just standing here. I always stand like this. You were listening! You were listening! Fine. Yes, my name is Lemon. I am sour. And I am useful. Tea, juice, cooking, cleaning. I can do everything.
That is a lot for one small fruit.
I'm very versatile. I am concentrated. Big flavor, small body. Like me. I am small, but I can carry everything. Yes, exactly like you.
Okay, I like you, Lemon. Tom will be happy. 2 lemons. Good.
Thank you for understanding me. Why are you here? You are sour.
And you are too proud. We are all different. Deal with it.
Okay, fruit done. Now vegetables.
Yes, let's go. More food, more friends.
Wow, Mr. Cart, look at all the vegetables.
Green, brown, so many colors.
Hello. Welcome. I am Onion. I always cry.
Are you okay? Why are you crying?
I always cry. But today, maybe I cry for you too. Bad days are heavy.
Whoa. My eyes are crying.
It is okay to cry. I cry every day, and I am still here, still useful. It is okay to cry? Yes, cry a little, then cook something good. That is life.
I will help you. I will make your food delicious.
Okay, in you go.
Sorry, guys.
Hey, who's there? You are getting me wet.
I am sorry. I cannot stop. This is who I am. Hey, come here. I want to tell you something.
Why are you whispering?
It's a secret.
A secret? From who?
I hear you had a bad day. Come here. I have a secret. What is the secret? Tell us! Bad days need strong flavor. That is the secret. Cook with me. Feel better.
Okay, I believe you.
Okay, you are white, you are small, you smell very strong.
Strong smell, strong flavor, strong character. I am powerful.
There you go, garlic. In you get.
Hello, friend. We are together again.
Oh no! Last time we were both in a pan together and it was very hot.
My cart is becoming very dramatic.
Welcome to shopping.
You! Yes, you! Come here, right now!
Me?
I am hot. I am spicy. You had a bad day? I can burn it away. Burn it away? Is that safe?
Burn away my bad day?
Yes. Spicy food makes you forget everything else. Only the fire. Only now. I've had a terrible day. No one understands.
That is actually not wrong.
Yes! She understands me! Finally! A human with a bad day who gets it! Move! I am here now. I am important. Who said you could come in here?
Should we be worried?
I am fine. I think maybe.
Oh, it's ringing. Hello?
Ashley, the movie starts at 7. It is 6 now.
What? Okay, I am almost done.
Cucumber! Are you good? Can I buy you? Fast!
Hey, slow down. Life is long.
I don't have time. Are you fresh? Are you good?
I am always fresh. I am always good. I am cool as a cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. I love that. Yeah, you are funny. I know. You, new guy, pick a side. No. Hi. Oh, you look sad. That is not okay. I can help.
You can help. How?
Fresh food, green food, good food. Bad day goes away. I promise. See? Even lettuce knows. Good food fixes bad days.
Good leaves. Fresh. Green. Good. Yes! I am going on an adventure!
You are too happy. Stop bouncing. This is not a playground.
You are angry. That is okay. I still like you.
Potato, I need you. You are comfort food, right?
Yes, bad days need me. I am warm. I am heavy. I fill you up. Take me home. Cook me. Eat me. Simple food helps. You will feel better.
Okay. Simple. I need simple today.
You are dirty. Do not touch me. I am from the ground. It washes off. Don't be dramatic.
Pumpkin! You look great, but you are also very heavy, right?
Yes. Very heavy. Very big. You want to buy me?
I want to, but I walked here. No car. Too heavy. I am sorry.
That is okay. I am very comfortable here. I will wait.
Is it asleep? Apples,
Bananas, oranges, lemon, onion, garlic,
chili,
cucumber,
lettuce.
potato.
That'll be $28.50.
$28.50. Good.
Under budget. We did it. Have a great day. Hey, Ashley. Bad day is not forever. Good food helps. Come back next week.
Yeah, maybe today's not so bad.
Comfort food tonight. Apple, potato, chili, and garlic. Always garlic.
She didn't pick us. Because we are too heavy. Next time, Ashley, bring a car.
Next time, bring a car.